Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it here. Like I have. Here we go. Then you need to click at the three lines at the left top and go to Upgrade Firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so don't worry. Then click Upgrade. And now don't use your earbuds, just wait until this update is finished, and I'm going to speed up it for you. And now this update almost finished. And we did it. Now let's return to the upgrade. Yeah, and as you can see, I have the last software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!